Welcome to Practical Time Series by Dr. Abhishek Pal and Dr. PKS Prakash, a course by Pact Publishing. I'm Mark Thomas and I'll be the presenter for this course. In this course you'll mainly learn the statistics, theory and implementation of time series methods. Dr. Abhishek Pal, PhD, is a software engineer, data scientist, author and an avid Kagler living in Hyderabad, India. He's done his Bachelor of Technology degree in Industrial Engineering from the Indian Institute of Technology, IIT, Kharagpur, and has earned his doctorate in 2015 from University of Warwick, Coventry, United Kingdom. After doctoral studies, Abhishek started his career in India as a lead machine learning engineer for a leading US-based investment company. He's currently working at Microsoft as a senior data scientist. Abhishek has published several research papers in reputed international conferences and journals. Dr. PKS Prakash is a data scientist and author. He spent the last 12 years in developing many data science solutions in several practice areas within the domains of healthcare, manufacturing, pharmaceutical and e-commerce. He's working as a data science manager at ZS Associates. He's the co-founder of Warwick Analytics, spin-off from University of Warwick, UK. Prakash has published articles widely in research areas of operational research and management, soft computing tools and advanced algorithms in leading journals such as IEEE Trans, eJAW and IJPR, among others. He's edited books such as Evolutionary Computing in Advanced Manufacturing, published by Wiley, and Algorithms and Data Structures Using R, and R Deep Learning Cookbook, published by Pact. Let's look at the overview of the course. The first section is an introduction to time series, and it covers the three different types of datasets: cross-section, time series and panel. After that, the section Understanding Time Series Data covers three topics: advanced pre-processing and visualization of time series data, and stationarity, and statistical hypothesis testing. The next section covers smoothing-based models using the Holt-Winters approach for first order to capture levels, second order to smooth levels and trend, and higher order smoothing is illustrated. Moving further, we'll discuss autoregressive models for forecasting. It covers a detailed implementation for moving average, MA, autoregressive, AR, autoregressive moving average, ARMA, and autoregressive integrated moving average, ARIMA. The final section explores recent deep learning algorithms that can be directly adapted to develop forecasting models for time series data. This course takes the viewers from the basic to advanced levels of time series analysis in a very practical and real-world use cases. We'll need Anaconda Python distribution to run examples in this course and execute your own Python programs for time series analysis. So let's begin this journey together, and I hope to see you there.